This is my heaven, and this is actually my temple. You can say that जिसको कहते हैं ना मत्था टेकना, it's like it's a place when you're going through life and stress and outdoor, so many issues. Once I come here, once I'm here, once I'm in front of the painting, I forget. And very often when I'm little disturbed or tense, and I start a work, and I have a terrible headache, then suddenly after working for 1 or 2 hours, and I say, oh my God, where's the headache gone? It's vanished. So this is, you can say, like it's actually a heaven. I think for every artist, the working space is always a temple and a heaven. Actually, I think I have a very boring and strict schedule, itinerary, because after getting up, having my breakfast, and when I come here, I first do my puja. I'm a little religious, and then I think the mornings are more checking emails, sending emails to people. किसी को high resolution चाहिए, low resolution चाहिए. There's so much administrative work which needs to be done, which I do myself. I actually don't have a helper or a mundu. I do everything myself. And then I have my lunch, early lunch, take my siesta, go for a walk, have an early dinner, and then I'm back to work. So it's, actually that evening time is such a concrete and beautiful time, because there is no disturbance, no phone calls, no couriers. So it's basically me, my work, and my music. And music means I listen to all sort of music. I listen to bhajans, I listen to jazz, contemporary, the old Hindi and Hollywood and Bollywood songs. So this is what it is. And then when I finish this, I have a little sleep disorder, so I keep watching Netflix or Prime or whatever movies are there till I feel sleep, and then I go to bed. Sometimes while listening to music, I get a little emotional. If they're old songs, I remember something, old incidents, it's a long journey, 46 years in the art world. So something does. But I think recently what is giving me a lot of solace is a lot of bhajans. I listen to a lot of bhajans, lot of spiritual songs. And then in the end, I just switch over to old Bollywood or Hollywood songs. I love the 70s and 60s songs. I even love the new ones. The idea is always there. I mean, touch wood, I'm very lucky. I'm always full of ideas. I have too many ideas still, and I'm like hoping that I can accomplish before I leave this world. But the thing is that I start with an imagery in my mind. But if there is a particular pose I want, then I take reference to my images that I have clicked myself, or something which, like I did a book on, I did a full book of a tribute to all the people I have admired in life. The painters, the artists, the philosophers, the writers. So of course for that I had to do a lot of research. I had to do a lot of research, take out printouts, work on it. So it is actually a beautiful book, you can say, which is a mixed media of the printouts of paintings that I did, like Kiefer's work. I did something which is similar to his work. So it's like I said, I think it's not fixed now. That I personally feel a painter should not be just a painter, in the sense that he is a painter, but there are other genres one likes to touch. I do sculptures, I do video art, I do mixed media, I do printmaking, drawings. So everything is related, There were two phases. One was that what I had already done, they took, and one was they commissioned something. Like then, what they commissioned, I was very conscious of making what will be going in the Shakti show. And then after going and visiting that space and coming back, I have a few ideas which I want to now execute, which I'm not going to disclose. Let it be an element of surprise. But I do have some things which I still have to accomplish, but it was, I think it was compiled very beautifully by the curator Sushma and Martin. Shakti, I mean, I have been working on the goddesses from the last 35 years. And I was not so religious earlier in my life. Then suddenly I had a dream of a goddess. She came in my dream, and I started painting. That was my first painting I did. And then there's no stop. I've been working on the yoginis, the Shaktis. When I travel, I take a lot. I always take pictures of the sculptures. Whether it's Khajuraho, whether it's Belur. Recently, I went to Bhubaneswar, so the 64 Yogini temple. So I clicked photographs there, and I came back. And very often, I incorporate these photographs onto my mixed medias. Very recently, I've done one, and I also incorporate them in my digital paintings. The whole thing is very, you can say, very serene, and what is most important is this table. All the works have been done on this table. The mixed media I did, which was 3.5 by 5.5 feet, my back almost broke. I was working on it, turning it around, and like I said, I don't have a helper, so doing it all myself, it broke my back, but it took me 4 months to do that. So very often this table is crowded, and then when I do bigger works, I just empty it. So I think this is this place, and of course also is next to my laptop, because I do all the, sourcing and all that I do through internet, if I have to look at a particular image for reference. So it's the chair next to my laptop and this table. So many, I mean, I admire so many of them. Recently, I was in Amsterdam because I just wanted to see Kiefer and some Kiefer's retrospective. I wish, of course, I cannot invite him here in this space. I would like to go to his space, because he is a total eccentric and a mad artist who has been doing such fabulous, astonishing works which leaves you spellbound. So I would like to work with him. He's one artist. There are people like Robert Rauschenberg, of course. I can't do that now, but I would have loved to work with him. There are many, many more. There are Käthe Kollwitz. I would like to work because of the drawings and lithographs she did. Amrita Shergill, of course, because of what she has done. She has made self-news, which I have not done. But, there are many artists I would like to always love to work with, but it's like many of them are not there anymore. There are many, but of course the turquoise, the teal, the reds and the magentas, which I also wear very often. I can't say that because I love them all. I love painting, I love mixed media, I love printmaking, I love drawing. Just loose kapras, and I love changing my stoles and my earrings.